are the best kind. Ow! What's wrong? I got a cavity. A cavity? There's just no way to prevent them anymore. Well, now you can. How? With the new Colgate toothpaste. Colgate toothpaste? Mm-hmm. What's Colgate toothpaste? It prevents against germs, plaques, gingivitis, and cavities. That's a lot for a toothpaste to do. I know. It's the leading brand of toothpaste in the U.S. Oh, wow. I wonder what Colgate toothpaste. Well, I don't know. Let's go find out. Let's go.
Thanks, Mom, for representing it. I feel cool, fresh, and confident.
You ain't nothing but a hound dog, you're crying all the time. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. Well, you ain't never caught a rabbit and you ain't no friend of mine. Well, they said you was high class.
What's wrong, dear? Maybe eating the cookie's not a good idea. A cavity. They hurt. They hurt. Really. Mother, this dinner is horrible. It sucks. What the hell were you thinking, eating the Oreos? Okay, like take it down a peppy notch because we're always like, oh, you're welcome. Families don't really act like that in real life. What is that? Ew! What is that? What is it? Colgate. 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 Colgate toothpaste. Colgate toothpaste? Yeah. What's Colgate toothpaste? Toothpaste. Toothpaste? Colgate toothpaste do that? I don't really know. Honestly, I don't really know. No, right now it's the leading brand of toothpaste. The leading brand. You did it. No, you didn't! Oh.
I'm going to this right now. You put way too. You put way too much on.
It's all over the carpet.
Okay. I think we're done.
Yeah.